Hey guys, welcome back to Tracie's Place. I am here with a video on how to get scuff marks out of patent leather shoes. So before I came on, of course, I wanted to try, different methods to see which one worked. And I tried several and only one of them worked out for me. And I saw this on other videos and then I, heard tips and tricks and different things. So I wanted to try it, of course. So I heard about the sanitizer method. I tried that. That did not work for me. I tried the alcohol method and it did not work either. I was kind of shocked about that. It didn't work. So I tried the acetone method and this is what worked for me. I know someone has said not to put a lot of pressure on the scuff because it takes some of the shine away. But for me, I kind of had to put a lot of pressure on these. My daughter, she was online for AKA and she only wore these shoes one time and she was about to get rid of them. And I needed some shoes to usher in. We wear the same size. I needed some shoes to usher in because you're supposed to have closed-toed toes and closed-toed heels when you're ushering. So I said, well, let me try them on, make sure I could fit them. And I knew we wore the same size, but sometimes some shoes fit different. So I tried them on and I could fit them. And I said, this would be the perfect little ushering shoe, little Mary Jane. I love the style. I love Mary Jane shoes. I think it's so cute. So anyway, I have the shoes now. So, when they were online or doing their ceremony thing, the one that we went down for, and a little ceremony thing where they, do their steps and they're all dressed alike and they're, and we went down there for that and these shoes got scuffed up. They're in good condition on the outside here, but on the inside where, your shoes are meeting when you're stepping and crossing your feet, going on, there's some scuff marks on the inside of each shoe. So I am going to be using, and I tried already, like I said, with the other ones, and I used Q-tips. So that's why they're all black and dark and everything. So let me put that there. And I am going to try these little cotton balls. And if you all can see, I don't know if you all can see that, but they're, hopefully if I could turn them at certain angles, you can see their scuff marks. So I'm hoping that's focusing. So what you want to do is just rub on the scuff mark. Put a little pressure on, not a lot. I'm trying to be careful because I got on nail polish and I don't want my nail polish to come off. I've forgotten about that. I got a nice little nail job I did myself. I don't want it to come off. So just kind of scrub on it. I know one lady said it took her about a minute for the scuff mark to be removed with her rubbing. So I'm going to go a minute. I'm not going to go further than that. Because like I said, I did try this before I came on camera and it did remove one of the scuff marks. So just want to make sure. Got some up there too. Want to make sure it removes everything. So rub, 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 rub. So get the top here too. Whew. hands. Let me switch. You know what? Let me just turn this a little bit and use a, so I don't want this taken off my nail polish, so I got a clean tissue and put over the top of this because I had saturated this cotton ball and I do not want it to take my nail polish off. So I'm rubbing, y'all. It's been a while. I want to, so you have to rub a minute over each spot. Oh my goodness. Okay, you guys, that took, I try to not have you on waiting, but if you can see, the scuff mark is gone. There's a little bit left, and my hands were just tired. I didn't feel like going on. There's a little bit left on that, and I can basically just kind of get that with my finger. But you all, what it seems like to me, what it reminds me of, let me get that off because that's gonna bother me. What it reminds me of is when you buy a aluminum pan or some type of pan or something from the store, and it has the tags on it, and they use that glue that when you peel it off, it doesn't come all the way off, or those long strings are left on it, and you're like, why do they put these tags right on the product, you know, on the right side up of the product and everything, and it's hard to get the tag off. But that's what the scuff marks reminded me of, because when I was, you know, getting them off, I could see the scuff mark kind of roll up almost to little glue balls, if you will. So that's what it seems like to me. Now to shine it up, you use Windex. Now this is totally off subversion, but normally I would use petroleum jelly, you know, Vaseline, but someone said something about the Windex. I said, let me try the Windex and see. There's a little shine to it, because you're kind of taking some of the gloss off when you rub with that acetone. So you want to replenish the, oh yeah, you want to replenish the gloss. Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. So there you go. I hope you can see that. So it did work. It's going to take some elbow grease, because I still see a little bit like on this back part and everything that I could still get, and but for the most part, it came off. It came off. So I'm very pleased. Now I have to work on the other shoe, but I won't do that on camera. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something from it. And please forward this video. And it might work, you know, the alcohol might work for somebody. I don't know if sometimes it's different types of patent leather or what have you, but this may work for someone, because it worked for somebody else on another video, and also I saw alcohol work for somebody, but the acetone worked for me. All right, guys, be blessed, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys next time right back here on Tracie's Place. Bye.